Hi, I am Dharma, doing MTech Structural Engineering in VIT Chennai campus. In this time, I would like to tell about the greenhouse gas effect on Earth. Earth's atmosphere is slightly warmer than it what should be due to direct solar heating because of a mild case of greenhouse effect. The ground is heated by visible and infrared light from sun. The heated surface emits infrared light. The majority of Earth's atmosphere are not good greenhouse gas. The small amount of greenhouse gases traps infrared radiation and increase the temperature of the atmosphere. Water on Earth. The condition, the combination of three factors, distance to the sun, the albedo, and the greenhouse effect make it possible for water to stay on Earth. N2, nitrogen and O2, oxygen gas are not greenhouse gases. Not much CO2 in the atmosphere. Variable amount of H2O in the atmosphere regulated by the temperature. The result is a mild greenhouse effect and not too hot and not too cold, just the right temperature for the most of the water to stay liquid phase. And some stay in gas phase in the atmosphere on the surface of the earth. Greenhouse gases. The primary components of earth atmosphere N2 and O2 do not have absorption in the IR wavelength range, therefore do not have a significant role in setting the surface temperature of the planet. Greenhouse gases are efficient in absorbing IR light, infrared light. The most important greenhouse gases are H2O, water vapor, CO2, carbon dioxide, CH4, methane. The most abundant greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere is water vapor. Most of the greenhouse gas heating of Earth's atmosphere is due to water vapor. Sources of water on Earth. The terrestrial planets were built from rock and planets. No gases or water can condense at the high temperature near the sun. So where did the water on Earth come from? The water on Earth most likely was brought over by the comets during the period of heavy bombardment about 4 billion years ago. These water were trapped in the interior and released by volcanic activities, outgassing atmosphere of Earth. The atmosphere of Earth contains primarily N2 77% and O2 21%. Atmosphere of the terrestrial worlds. That the Earth, which contains a combination of compositions of gases like 17% of N2, 21% of O2, and 1% argon and H2O have some variable quantities. We know that CO2 is a major greenhouse gas effect. CO2 is a colorless gas, condenses into solid form at 70 degrees Celsius in atmospheric pressure, condenses into liquid at 57 degrees Celsius at pressure about 5.1 atmospheric pressures. Atmospheric CO2 is derived from volcanic outgassing, burning of organic matter, respiration of living organisms. CO2 can be stored in the sinks, highly soluble in waters. Carbon dioxide cycle, that is CO2 cycles. Mechanism by which Earth itself regulates its temperature is called carbon dioxide cycle or the CO2 cycle for short. Starting with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, volcanoes outgas CO2 in the atmosphere. Atmospheric carbon dioxide is dissolved into oceans. Similarly, as they are pushed deeper into the mantle, some of the subducted carbonate rock melts and releases its carbon dioxide, which then outgasses back into the atmosphere through volcanoes. The CO2 cycle. CO2 cycle acts as a thermostat that regulates the temperature of the earth. If the earth warms up a bit, then carbonates minerals from in ocean at higher rate. The water at which the ocean dissolves CO2 gas, increasing pulling CO2 out from the atmosphere. The reduced CO2 concentration leads a weakened greenhouse effect that counteracts the initial warming and cools plant back down. If Earth cools a bit, carbonate minerals from more slowly in the oceans. The rate at which the ocean dissolves CO2 gas decreases, allowing the CO2 released by volcanism to build back up in the atmosphere. Feedback loop. Generally, the positive feedback mechanism that makes things worse, increasing CO2 in the atmosphere, leading to the release of more CO2. Negative feedbacks. Mechanisms that are self-correcting, example increasing CO2 in the atmosphere leading to higher rate of CO2 removal such as CO2 cycle. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics plays an important role in the CO2 cycle. It helps to carry the carbonate rocks into the mantle which are then released again by volcanic activities. Earth's lithosphere is broken into pieces. These float on the top mantle interacting with each other to produce the geological features seen by today. Where did O2 come from? The most important source of Earth's life and photosynthesis. Photosynthesis converts CO2 to O2 and incorporates carbon into amino acids, proteins, and other components of living organisms. O2 will be depleted from atmosphere rapidly without a source. The role of magnetic field on Earth. Another important character of Earth is magnetic field, which shields us from bombardment the high energy charged particles mostly from the sun. Similarly, N2 gives N plus N and O is O plus O, H is such so the lighter gas then have higher probability of acquiring velocity higher than escape velocity and escape Earth. Runaway greenhouse effect. If we are to move Earth closer to the sun, likely Venus is now, then we could suffer the runaway greenhouse effect and let's lose all water and become like Venus. Uh, the Earth will compose of internal structures, surface features, atmospheres. What makes the Earth hospitable to life and global warming? I would like to say thank you for watching this video.